So guys, Facebook just introduced a new tool that can actually help you fix your violation issues, right? So I want you guys to first of all watch this video before I explain better on how this thing works, right? So let's go.
We know everyone makes mistakes, and that's why this summer we introduced a program for creators with professional mode that makes it easier to learn from your first Facebook community standards violation and maintain that access on Facebook. Now, if you violate our community standards for the first time, you will receive a notification to complete an educational training in the Facebook app about the policy you violated. Upon completion, your warning will be removed from your record, and if you avoid any other violation for 1 year, you can participate in the remove your warning experience again. This program opened a few months ago for creators using professional mode, and we'll be expanding this to all Facebook pages and profiles soon.
So guys, what this man actually means is that, like when you get your first violation, Facebook will now allow you to go through a kind of school, right? And when you go through this school, you get to answer some questions, and when you answer this question correctly, Facebook might give you a second chance, right? So, and this only works when you are a first-time violator. This, what I mean is that, like, when is your first time violating their policy, but when you violate their policy and they give you this opportunity to go through this education, and after going through this education, they fix your this thing, and you went and violate the policy again, they will not accept you. They will not give you the second chance for that. If you're a YouTuber and have gotten strike from YouTube before, you get to understand this, So when you get a strike on YouTube, they are going to pass you through a school that you need to answer some questions. And when you get these questions complete, they are going to tell you that they will remove your strike in 90 days. So this actually enables you to keep posting till next 90 days, and YouTube is going to remove that strike from your channel. All right. So this now is applicable to Facebook. But Facebook is not saying that you are going to your violation is going to stay for 90 days until they remove it. I think Facebook is going to remove your violation instantly after you've gone through the school, because the reason why you're going through this school is for you to actually, even if you don't know much on how this policy works, this school will now guide you, because the question they are going to be asking you are things that is related to this policy violation. So when you go through this education, you get more ideas, and it's important for you to actually know some things before you go through the education. So Facebook also indicated, right, that this doesn't apply to all the violations. For instance, copyright strike, like you now using someone's music or using someone's video, right? All this kind of violation, it might not apply to them, depending on how huge the violation is, and also when you post nudity, all this kind of violation, they are very strong guideline violations. When they flag you these particular ones, they might not give you a chance for you to go through this school. So this actually implies to some minor violations. Most people actually violate Facebook policy without knowing them. So when you violate Facebook policy without knowing them, and they will enroll you into this education system, that you go through and answer some questions, and they will let you free. So when you do it the second time, they are going to finally strike you. And I think this actually will help a lot of creators, because new creators who doesn't understand how Facebook monetization works, they make mistake a lot, and this is actually going to help a lot of them. I think Facebook did a good thing for creators, right? So currently this feature is working on professional mode. For some people that are using professional mode, it's not yet working on page, but I believe in 2 weeks to come, it will be working on normal Facebook page. Since they introduced content monetization beta, a lot of things have been going on, right? So they have been fixing some things on Facebook, and we believe that whatever they are doing is for our own good. So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. And even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say, thank you, Mazdi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azmin, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.